This video shows how we can get the elevations from a surface. To do it, one way is to go to the Analyze tab. On the Inquiry panel, we'll find the Inquiry tool, and we can go ahead and click on that. And that'll open up the Inquiry tool. From the drop-down, we can select Surface, and then we can select Surface Elevation and Grade at Point or between 2 points. If we select the first option, it'll ask us to specify a point for the elevation and grade. If we have multiple surfaces, it'll ask us which surface we want to use. We can then pick a point in the drawing, and it'll show us the point elevation, grade, slope, and slope direction of the point that we selected. If we need to change the surface, we can always click on the little button, and that'll open up the list where we can select a different surface. To change the point after we've ended the command, we can use the point picker or type in a coordinate value, and then continue to pick points. If we want the information between 2 points, we can select the surface elevation and grade between points, and then pick the 2 points that we want. We can also pick the points or type them in from the dialog box. And so this is the Inquiry tool found in Civil 3D.